Hello and welcome to this video for the updates happening on Sunday the 15th of June 2014. This video is specifically going to demonstrate the changes being made to the main menu in how you can operate it and how you perform a search on this menu. So the primary functions of the menu remain the same. You can still click on any item, locate the item you wish to use and double click on it to run it, the same as it always has. How the menu is going to change is in features such as the searching functionality. Previously you had to type in the full search term you wanted, press enter, it would then locate the first item on the list where you had a set of up and down arrows to search through the items. Searching is now being streamlined on the main menu, that from the Run ID box you can start typing in any menu item you like and the system will automatically start searching for that and reduce the list down to only items that will contain those characters that you've typed in. Now, doing this style of search will work on any of the different menus, so if you have custom menus that you've created, this searching will work on those same menus. So in this case we've typed in CUST for customer and you'll see here that it's brought up only items that have customer listed on it. If we remove that and change that to SUPP, you'll see that it's only got items that have SUPP, primarily the word supplier or supplied, in the menu item. Now, if you want to search, if you're not sure of exactly how an item's spelt, you can just start typing your search. Once you get to the third character, the menu will actually start reducing it. And as you keep typing, you'll see that it keeps reducing it down further and further based off the term you've typed. If you type something that isn't available, you'll see all of the menu items disappear. You can simply then just click the delete key to go back and it'll bring the search back up to where you were. Now, in saying that, if you wanted to do something specific like look for customer maintenance, you can now actually type in the first part of the first word and then space the first part of the second word, and the system will search for both this first 4 characters as well as this second 4 characters separately. So you'll see customer main, all of these items will have customer and maintenance in them because they all have the CUST and on a separate word the MAIN. Again, with this, if you happen to put in something that doesn't have a corresponding menu item, you can just press backspace and it will again come down looking for the items that you've got available. So once you've done a search, you simply just click on the item you want, it'll bring it up, the search will remain here. So even if you quit out of that item, that search remains visible here. You'll notice that the menu name has changed to say search results rather than the name of the menu item, and this will stay here. So even if I change to a different menu and come back to the search results, it will remember the last search results I conducted. So if I now come down here and go to sales and type in point to bring up point of sales, you'll see that the search result is now under the sales menu rather than the default menu, because the system has remembered that the last search I conducted was on the sales menu and was for the word point. Now, as we go through here, if at any time you're on a menu item and you want to conduct, like you want to go back and conduct a search on the main menu, you can press the F2 key on the keyboard and you'll notice that that's brought the cursor down to the left-hand side on the Run ID. That will work in any circumstance where this menu item is not grayed out. So in this case, because we were just on the debtor inquiry screen, the main menu is still available for us to search through. However, if I go into customer maintenance, locate an actual customer and were to click something like balances, this main menu is now grayed out. If I press the F2 key, it does not go to the Run ID. However, when I get back to this main customer maintenance screen, I can again push the F2 key and run a search from there. ready to locate the menu item I want to run. So as well as searching, navigating generally on the main menu has also been updated. So whenever you select a menu item, it will always highlight the first item on the menu. So here in default, it's gone up to the lookup. Now if I just press the down arrow, it will automatically scroll through the items. And then if I want to go and open debtors, I can press enter to open it. Pressing the down arrow will now actually search through the items under debtors and through all the sub-menus. However, if I want to search, so in this case here, if we're on here, we can go up and down. I can sort of go between them as I want. However, if I wanted to go from creditors directly up to debtors, what I can do, press and hold the Alt key while I press the up and down arrow now. So that will take us through only the root level or the main level items. So rather than having to go through each of these, I can just press and hold Alt and press up, or press and hold Alt and press down. And it will search me through only the top level items if I'm navigating the menu using my keyboard. And again, doing this, if I press the F2 key at any time, the focus returns down onto the Run ID box. Now, in the system, whatever item is the highlighted item, so at the moment the customer maintenance shop talk is, pressing enter will run that item. So this is regardless of if the cursor is in the Run ID or if you've got focus on a screen. If you've if you've got this on a menu item, pressing enter will change to use that item. Doing the search, if you have added numbers to your menu items, the search won't work on numbers. The search will only work on characters. So because the default menu does not have numbers next to it, the search has been set up to only work on letters. Numbers won't work. Now, if when you're doing a search, such as in here, if you wanted to find out where this debtor inquiry item was that is here, we've got two ways we can do it. One, we can right click on the item and locate in menu. And what that will do, it will return us to the menu that we originally started the search from and highlight the item that we've selected so that we can see it's under Sales Debtor Inquiry. So we can now go back to the search results, and this time we might select the next one, right click Locate in Menu, and this time it's showing us that that particular item is under Debtors Debtor Inquiry. So, as well as right-clicking with the mouse, if we were to select an item, we can go up to File, Locate in Menu. And that again will take us over to the menu that we perform the search in and take us down and highlight the item that we're looking for. Thank you very much for watching this video. There is accompanying notes on these updates that have been sent out as part of the update notes for Sunday the 15th of June 2014. If you have any questions or would like any further information about it, please feel free to speak to one of the trainers at the ACR training team. Thank you very much.